Today, we're focusing on the best mirrorless cameras of 2024. From stunning image quality to compact designs, ready to capture the world in a new light? Let's dive in. First, we're introducing the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera in sleek STM lens. This tiny lightweight camera has a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and a powerful DIGIC X processor, resulting in superb image quality. Capture spectacular 4K uncropped films at up to 30 FPS with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 oversampled from 6K and Full HD high-frame rate movies at up to 120 FPS. The Movie for Near-Up demo mode enables rapid focus alterations when a product is brought near to the camera, which is great for video makers. The sophisticated dual-pixel CMOS AF2 sets that cover up to 100% of the picture, and it uses deep learning technology to recognize and track. Fujifilm X-E4 capture life's fleeting moments with the Fujifilm designed to preserve your memories in stunning detail. At its core is a 26.1 megapixel backside illuminated X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, the same high-performance sensor found in Fujifilm's flagship, wide dynamic range, and exceptional low-light performance. X series cameras. This advanced sensor delivers rich colors, wide dynamic range, and exceptional low-light performance, ensuring your photos are vivid and true to life, regardless of the conditions. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the X-E4 guarantees that your precious memories are captured beautifully and can be cherished for generations to come. Nikon Z50, portable models in the lineup, and it's a reliable all-arounder that's excellent for getting to know the system. It was the first in the series to employ an APS-C sensor format, as Nikon refers to it, and while it isn't as visually appealing as, say, the Fujifilm X line of APS-C cameras, the Nikon Z50 has a lot going for it. It shoots at 11 FPS burst, and the hybrid autofocus technology does an excellent job of keeping up with the action. The great bulk of the frame is covered by its 209 phase detection AF points. Does an excellent job of keeping up with the action. The great bulk of the frame is covered by its 209 phase detection, which also include eye and face detection AF. The viewfinder and touchscreen are also first-rate for a camera of this class, providing an immersive handling experience. The internet's current love with Fujifilm's retro-styled contemporary cameras began with the X100V. The release of the has certainly not halted that momentum, and according to several sources, pre-ordered camera of all time. Is all of this simply hype? Absolutely not. For one option for anybody looking for a gorgeous and expensive small camera without the hassle of changing lenses. In terms of image quality, the X100V has the same 40.2 megapixel X-Trans sensor as the flagship Fujifilm X-T5, which is an excellent sensor. This is combined with the newest X Processor 5, which allows for autofocus identification and tracking, albeit at a slight 1.23x crop, or there is always 4K video with no crop if you don't need that extra resolution, and the camera better in low light with slower shutter speeds. Sony Alpha A6100. When the A6100, the successor to the extremely successful A6000, debuted in August 2019, we praised it as Sony's best entry-level APS-C mirrorless camera. A tiny, beginner-friendly solution for both stills and video still nails the fundamentals today. It has the same 24 megapixel resolution, as well as a long battery life, high image quality, and excellent tracking autofocus, thanks to the same mechanism. You also get great 4K video and several handy features copied from other Sony models, including as IAF. A familiar body form helps to a decently easy control configuration, yet Sony's complicated menu structure does not help the touchscreen interface. If you're a learner who doesn't need the very latest in mirrorless advancements, looking to shoot a wide range of different subjects. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a flexible mirrorless camera combining outstanding picture performance with excellent video capabilities, works well in low-light circumstances, and produces beautiful and true colors. And, like the R3, the R6 Mark II's improved processing is well-suited to the DIGIC as well as high-resolution 4K video, and it enables up to 40 FPS continuous shooting with a quiet electronic shutter or 12 FPS with a mechanical shutter, with AF and AE readings before each frame, which allows you to capture moments up to 0.5 seconds before pressing the shutter. Added to that, better processing leads to improved low-light performance, with the sensitivity range now spanning from ISO 100, 102-400 and expanding to ISO 24-800 for working in extremely tough lighting circumstances. Aside from stills, the R6 Mark II's sensor supports. And that concludes our video. We really hope you enjoyed our video. To receive notifications when we release more, thank you and see you guys in the next video.